like having to lose my free month. So Google Stitch, design with AI, right? So from my understanding, let me see. Let's do this. What is, I forgot where I saw this pop up the other day, but Google Stitch is an AI-powered UI design tool that helps users create apps, app and web interfaces quickly by generating UI design and front-end code from text prompts and visual references. It leverages Google Gemini 2.5 Pro for its functionality and allows for customization and integration with tools like Figma. So let's give it a try. So here we are, design at the speed of AI. Let's do, so I've been working on a interview assistant app. So let's say I am building an app to assist job seekers get ready for interviews. The app will, so you can share the job description, job URL or job posting URL, or upload the job or the, what do you call it? Upload the file of the job description, and based on that job description, it will give you potential interview questions. So let's start with that, right? Let's start with that. Let's see what this can give us, right? So generate. Let's see. Sounds interesting. Let's outline the key screens for your job interview preparation app. So home, a welcome screen with options to input the job description via text, URL, or upload potential questions. Display a list of potential interview questions generated from a job description. Question details offer detailed insights into a selected question, including why it might be asked. User profile, allow users to manage their profile setting, view past job descriptions or questions. Ooh, I like that. Would you like to proceed with the design? Yes, let's proceed with the design. Let's see what it comes up with. Let's see how long it takes as well. How long is it going to take to give us our design? Because people like UI UX designers, they would have to go into Figma, and there's probably other tools that can do this as well, but they'd have to go into Figma. They'd have to lay different things out. They would have to. So let's see what we got here. It gives us interview prep app. Get ready for your job description for your interview. Paste a job description, enter a URL, or upload a file to get started. Interview prep, potential questions. Question number 1, tell me about yourself. Question number 2, what are your strengths and weaknesses? Question number 3, why are you interested in the role? 4 or 5, and so forth. Tell me about a time that you failed. This question helps the interviewer understand how you handle setbacks and learn from mistakes. It is an opportunity to showcase your resilience and growth mindset. Interesting. Choose a real failure. Focus on what you learned. Keep it concise. Okay. And then our profile page would give us the profile of the person and their title, when they joined the app. It would give us you can edit it, you can do the settings, notifications, past job descriptions, past questions. That is pretty cool. All right, so I want to add something to the design. I want the ability to have a conversation, or not a conversation, but a mock interview. A mock interview conversation where AI will be asking the interview questions, and if I learn how to spell questions, and go back and forth with the interviewee based on their response before moving on to the next question. Let's see what happens. The designs have been, okay, I didn't see this part. Okay, so I didn't, all right, so let's integrate a mock interview feature into your app. I think that's adding a mock interview screen with the following mock interviews. Initiates a simulated interview experience with AI, posing questions and adapting based on the user response. Would you like, yes, I would like that included. Let's see what we get. So I suppose we will be able to go back to our previous design, because I like those a lot, actually. It's got me intrigued. So get ready for your interview prep, your interview with AI powered practice sessions. Is that all that I get? And you can, I guess you can export it to Figma. If I go back up here, do I still get these screens? Oh, nice. Nice. So I have these screens, and let me see. If I click on edit, oh, I can edit the actual design. Interesting. This is a game changer. Do you have any specific features or details in mind for the screen, or would you like to explore other aspects of the app? I would like to. Let me see. Do you have any specific features or details in mind? And you see, people might say, "Oh, this might replace the job of UI UX people." I don't know, because I am not a UI UX person. Like this looks great to me, but UI UX people, they can also see, "Oh yeah, we should put this here, we should put that there." So I think this can actually make UI UX people go a lot faster and do even better work. So I don't know. But I am impressed by this so far. Let me see. I'm gonna bring this up at Scrum Night tonight in the Patreon. As we wrap up our sprint tonight. Let's see. What else? What other I think that's about it, though. Oh, I have an idea. Oh, this. All right. So, if a technical project was requested for the interview, I want the app to use AI to read the GitHub repository and ask questions based on the project request and the code it reviewed. That would be pretty cool. Let's see what that has to say. Let's see what it has to say about that. So basically, I'm going through, like, what I'm describing is different, like, how I might help somebody prepare for an interview, and different things that happen during interviews where there's like a technical project request. So I'm just thinking about, like, all the different things that we have to deal with in different areas, and how we can put that into some type of app to help people. To incorporate the analysis of technical projects from GitHub, I recommend adding Project Analysis screen. Project Analysis allows users to submit a GitHub repository link for AI analysis, generating questions based on the project. Would you like to include this in the app design? Yes, I would, but with the option of granting access to the app if the repository is private. I don't know. Just thinking. What is this standard mode? This is cool. This is really cool. We have a whole design and like we still have 5 minutes, like over 5 minutes left in this segment, and we have a whole design happening over here. Analyze your GitHub repository. This grant access to private repositories is probably not going to make sense here, but nonetheless, really, grant. Maybe this shouldn't be here because it wouldn't. I think this would have to be on the other way, like or request access. Oh, let me try that. Let me do edit. Instead of grant access to private repositories, it should be request access to private repository. All right, let's do that. Let's see how that goes. Grant access, whatever. Can always the functionality grant access for private writer has been changed to request. You did not change it, but okay, nonetheless. Oh, there's code here. Oh, let me see. Grant. Let's say request. Oh, can I edit? And oh, all right, fair enough. Let's see if we do. What if I click on? So, all right, so right now we have a bunch of screens. We have our basic screens of the interview prep where you can put in the job description. It gives you potential questions generated from AI. It gives you why they would be asking this question and some tips to answering these questions. The profile page. And then this is the where we say, all right, let's do interview prep with AI. And then it does the analyze the project, right? Let me see. Let's go with the no. Oh, sorry. It didn't generate it yet. It looks like. But one more feature I would like. Yes, I would like the option to purchase or the option to have a mock interview with a human person with the associated cost. Let's do that. To integrate the option for obviously add human mock interview screen provides us with the ability to schedule and conduct mock interviews with human professionals, including details on associated costs and scheduling. Yes, that would be super cool. So now you can have the ability to choose an interviewer and schedule it right then and there and have the price. What? Practice with a professional. Get personalized feedback from experienced professionals in your field. Mock interviews are conducted via video call. 30 minutes for 150, 60 minutes for 250. Schedule the time that works for you and book your session. Interview, connect with your interviewer via video call. Feedback, receive feedback and actionable insight. Book a mock interview. That is awesome. That, my friends, is Google Stitch, and we're in standard mode. We can, let me see, apply theme. You can change the colors, the fonts, go dark mode, light mode. Let's see. What? That is dope. Dope. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm going to talk about this more tonight in our Scrum Night. Looking forward to
lunch break.
Looking forward to the Patreon members being there for our Scrum Night tonight. But this is really cool. Really cool. We are going to wrap it up for tonight.